You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this quite common expression in French, meaning good courage, meaning have courage, be brave, be brave against the situation that you're going to be facing. You're going to have maybe a bad day or hard day at work. You say, good courage, have courage. Bon courage is how we say it. Bon meaning good. Courage is how you say courage. Bon courage. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.